Hello viewers, welcome to Excellence Biomedical Engineering. On today's video, we will be talking about this BP machine, which is what AccuSure BP machine. So if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So on today's video, we'll be talking about its unboxing, like what does it comes in, like what does it comes with, and how is it set, like right from time setting, right from recalling the memory, right from restoring back the memory. So this is all what we are going to include in this video. So first of all, let's begin with the unboxing. First of all, as you can see from here, they have illustrated the features of this device here, where they say it has MWI technology. It is a World Health Organization classification indicator. Okay, it has date and time and function. It has extra large LCD display. Okay, it has the features of detecting irregular heartbeat, and then it also comes with 2-year warranty, 2+2-year warranty. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the video right now. So from the starting, you can see from the top we have this here. And what is this? This is the warranty card. If it goes faulty, okay, within the threshold of the warranty period, you can go and fill this form and then get it replaced back from the authorized agent. So, and here is the manual, how to operate it, the protocols, all about the device, troubleshooting, everything is entailed in this manual. And so now this is the main device here as it is. Wow, so let's see. Yeah, this is the main device. So before we move, let's continue and see inside what's inside. So all right, here we see a BP cuff here. So all right, and we got some LED batteries. So this is all that is inside this device whilst we unbox it just right now. So the next phase we are going to move into is about the details of the device.